Okay, thanks for joining us for another flight test. I'm here with Jason, and he has got the TAFT Flybaby from our friends at banggood.com. Right, Jason?
Yes, yeah.
So tell us all about it.
Well, I put this together in an evening. It goes together quite quickly, probably an hour or two for someone that's put something like this together before. Most of it's ready to go, all your radio's installed, you just need to add a receiver and glue the engine on, because these parts come separate, and a few bits. One really nice little touch they've done at the back here is a nice spring-loaded tail, so nice finish there.
Good for ground control. So all the servos are in?
All the servos are in. You just kind of have to build up these little wires which go everywhere, but yeah, it goes together quite quickly, to be honest, and it seems really well built. Nothing needs sanding or filing. Little tiny bit of hot glue I use just to stick the aerial and the engines on, so apart from that,
and it's made of EPO foam.
EPO foam, so yeah,
really durable,
fairly rigid. It doesn't come with the pilot, so we added the pilot. So
yes. Why don't these
would have been really nice if it came with a pilot.
Why do they do that? It wouldn't. It's just a little pilot.
Yeah.
So they should include that. So that's one negative.
Yeah, we've added that.
Anything else? Because on Essential RC, Jason, we do only 100% honest reviews.
Absolutely.
What else?
Okay, so the decals are a little bit
thin.
Yeah, a little bit thin, and if you push too hard, they kind of crack and fall off. So if you wanted to keep the original decals, I'd probably get some clear lacquer around the edges, or maybe over the whole thing,
just to seal them on.
And the only other one slight negative, I suppose, is the wheels are quite firm and they're very hard, and it's a very rigid undercarriage. So it might be nice if you're flying off rough ground, especially, to change these to
foam,
a nice soft wheel, as opposed to these kind of, they are foam, but they're very, very hard foam.
Yeah. Okay.
But apart from that, everything is nicely built.
Otherwise, it's your classic Flybaby, which we've seen before.
Yeah.
It flies on what pack?
4S 3000.
4S 3000.
So I've got two 4S 1500s in it.
Paralleled them together.
Yeah. But I'm also going to try it today on a 4S 2200, because I've got tons of those. So I'm sure the flight time will be a bit shorter, but let's see.
All right, let's get it in the air. See how it flies.
Absolutely. Is it better?
Very nice. So
A bit cold and windy.
it is, but it handled it pretty well.
Yeah, it did get bumped around a little bit, but it's quite a long wing, so it's kind of to be expected. But flies really nice actually.
So as a second model for somebody who knows how to fly, it's a good little speed
yeah,
model.
And I mean, it
sport
is a
model.
scale model based on a US aircraft, so yeah, it's got some appeal from a scale point of view as well. It flies quite nice. I did have to dial down the rates a little bit. I did take off, and it was quite twitchy, so dialed in just a little bit of exponential just to keep it under control. But I think on a nice calm day it would be really, really nice to fly. But it is really cold and it is a little bit windy, so
Yeah.
But no, really impressed.
Okay, so that's the TAFT Fly Baby from our friends at banggood.com. The link is in the video description. Look it up for the price. But otherwise, thanks, Jason.
Yep, thank you very much.
All right, thanks for watching this one, and we'll see you for the next flight test real soon.